Hello everyone and welcome back to another installment from our series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. Today's webinar centres around life cycle assessment and how it impacts and has become part of the business strategy for New Zealand electricity provider and distributor Orion. thinkstep-anz's very own CEO Barbara Neville is today's host, and she speaks to Orion's sustainability lead Pip Newland and lifecycle engineer Josh Pope. They talk about the types of power poles they tend to use, and what I found really interesting is how Orion is going about their reuse stage. Here's a sneak preview.
Conclusions for us was actually that the installation phase is where we can have the greatest impact. Another sort of fun thought experiment was if we decided to reduce our fuel usage over the next 10 years, what would that equate to in carbon reduction? And that was 324,000 tonnes, and I think I worked that out as approximately something like I could drive to the moon and back in one of our operator vehicles. And
so getting an accurate emissions factor associated with those assets is half the battle, and so that's part of what the LCA can actually help towards in terms of looking at that embodied carbon calculation.
Classic example, we had a high school the other day building a slackline course in their backfield, so we redirected some poles there.
This webinar can serve as a very good blueprint of how the LCA process can positively affect business strategy and lead to a more sustainable future. If you're interested in watching the full webinar, you can find it on the thinkstep-anz website.